Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This is just a takeoff of the previous tutorial. The only thing here is instead of you having to type the domain name, hard code it over here into a quasi filter. And then we're going to use the exact same layout as before. For structure, lower left, B5 and C5, you're going to put the @ sign. And then you're just going to reference F5, the domain category. What's the domain? Acme is the domain. Com is the category. Does that mean anything? Well, down the road, we may be mixing and matching, and I may say, just find the category or just find the domain. But try to remember the difference. The domain is, if it's your company name, that's the domain. The category is .com. Category, domain, just separate the two. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.